guys, good morning. I have a 4-appointment day. Just walking my dog real quick before I go into work. My first appointment's at 10 and it's gonna be for something simple. So yeah, a nice start to a Wednesday. Hey guys, made it into work. I just finished up my first appointment and I have a little downtime right now, so I'm going to do swatches from haenails package that I got delivered from my Black Friday order. And then I have a massage scheduled for just like a quick 30-minute deep tissue because oh my gosh, my back has been on fire. So I'm gonna see if that's gonna help. So that's also downtown where I'm at. So I'm just gonna walk over there and get my massage. So that's a good start to a Wednesday. My first appointment nails are cute, Christmassy, ombre, a little glitter on the tip. Nice. So I brought in these thank you bags, just a thank you to my clients that have been sticking with your girl for a while. A little Christmas thank you bag. I should have done a cute little Christmas bag, but I was like, oh, thank you is appropriate. But if I found a cute Christmas thank you bag, that would have been nice. But whatever, these are cute. And you can reuse the bags if you wanted to. They're pretty, like, sturdy. I think they'll appreciate them, so whatever. Before I get started on my swatches, which it's only just a few, I'm gonna make a matcha and lemonade. That is one of the drinks that I am doing this month for drink of the month because it's green and it's cute and it's tasty. It's more, I feel like, summertime-ish, but honestly, a good flavor should be year-round. Doesn't matter. All right, I'm going to make my matcha and lemonade. Lemonade. Oh no. I'm just gonna mix it real quick, make sure it's fully blended. Add some ice. My teeny bit of ice. I just turned my ice maker on, so she ain't cool yet. I have a package. The first of my Black Friday packages have arrived. So this one's from haenails, and I just have a few picks in this. I have the Yogo Honey Jam. This is like a honey color, and it's super cute. That I cannot wait to use. I picked up 2 of the resin like builder gels. Those are my go-to staple gels for a structured gel manicure. I have another one of the Yoga brand products, and this is the Zombie Top Coat. I've heard good things. I haven't tried it, but yeah, I'm excited to use it. Always looking for a good top coat. Then I have the Funny Stones collection, which is like a terrazzo stone print type of, you know, gel. And then I have the Smoothie rubber matte top coat. I'm excited to try this because also I feel like matte top coats are really hard to find a good one because there's a lot of crap ones out there, and I think whatever you put inside of like the gel to make it matte, I think that causes an issue sometimes with how long you can keep it and how well it holds up. I've noticed that. Okay, but that's all I got for this package. So this collection comes with 6 gels in it, and these all looked really cool. So I'm gonna swatch those. They come with a little card. So this is just gonna go over on my display for my customers to see. And I'm just gonna swatch these probably on a nail itself. So it has a little tag to hang it. I don't know where I can hang it. I'll figure it out. Okay, so let's take a closer look at how these are going to look. She is thick with multiple C's. I'm excited to use this one. Probably really good for, you know, encapsulating and all that goodness. All right, then we have the Smoothie soft rubber top coat. So I need to sample that out on the color. These have some shimmer and glitter in there, so that is fun. Off to get my massage. On my way back from my massage. Cold out here. I just finished up my quick little 30-minute deep tissue massage. Maria gave me this cute little gift for good luck. It's one of those little cats. I'm gonna take out the box in a second. Okay, let me move my glasses up because they have a glare. Okay, my massage went really nice. I always love going there. And to go on your break, girls, we should be doing this all the time. As nail techs, lash techs, people that are putting all that strain on your body, it feels good. But honestly, I think it'd be better at the end of the day because now I just want to relax and chill. Okay, so it has this little cushion it goes on. And she said she wanted to give me one for good luck for my business. Look. Look how cute. It's a little piggy bank. So kind. You know, it's these little small gestures that will always get me. They always will get me. And this is why I also love to give my clients like fun little goodie bags and things. Like, it's one thing giving a percentage off of a service because, like, yeah, we'd all like to save, but when you have something so precious and cute, useful, like, I just feel like it makes it extra special. Let me know if you guys feel the same. But anyways, I am back. I'm gonna set up my table a little bit more than before I left, and my next appointment's gonna be here in like 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, so yeah. Okay, we are all finished up for the day. It is 8 p.m. and I'm done. I have a nice little mess to get cleaned up and get everything set up and ready to go for tomorrow. So that is it for today's vlog video, day in the life of a nail tech, just chilling with 4 appointments. Can you tell it's the end of the day? I get a little loopy. But yeah, Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video soon. Bye.